Lesson 3.10, Counting on a Calculator. Today's learning target. I can count up and back using a calculator. We will be learning how to read numbers and symbols on a calculator. We also will be learning how to use the plus, minus, and the equal signs to count forward and backward on a calculator. So today, boys and girls, we will be using our calculator. If you do not have it out already, please get it out now. Boys and girls, right now we are going to use our calculator to count up by twos. So we're going to take a look at this area right here to think about this learning. We're going to be starting at the number 0. We're going to count up, and we're going to count up by twos. So this is the information we'll need to use our calculator today. Since this is our first time using our calculator, we'll need to think about some of the keys on our calculator. We have several keys we're going to use today. One of the keys we're going to use is the on or clear calculator. Another key we're going to use is the addition calculator or the addition button. And another key we're going to use is the equal key. So let's get started. We're going to use these steps to see if we can count up by twos like we have been on a number line, but today we're going to use a calculator. So number 1, the first thing we need to do is press the on/clear button on your calculator. This button clears your calculator. Do this step now. Number 2 is press 0. This is our starting number. So the first number we're going to press on our calculator is 0. Do this now. Number 3. The next thing we're going to do is press the addition key. This key tells the calculator to count up. Do this now. The next thing we're going to do is step 4. We're going to press the number 2 because we're counting by twos. This tells the calculator to count by twos. Do this now. Now the calculator is ready to start counting by twos. The way we're going to ask the calculator to do this is we're going to press the equals key to tell the calculator to start counting by twos. Which number is the calculator displaying now that you've pressed the equals key one time? You're right. It is showing the number 2. Without clearing your calculator, I want you to press the equals key again and see which number our calculator is displaying now. It should be displaying the number 4. Let's continue to press the equals key without pressing clear or any numbers and call out the numbers that come up on our display. Boys and girls, let's try a few more. We have 2 problems here that we're going to try. Here is one, and here's one. The first one is going to start at the number 12. We're going to count backwards, which means we're going to be using the subtraction key or the minus key, and we're going to count by ones. Let's use our directions on how to use the calculator to help us with counting up and back right here. Our first step is to press the on clear key. That will start us at 0. Do this now. Step 2. Press the number 12. This is our starting number. So you will need to press the 1 and the 2. The number 12 should be in your display window now. Step 3, press the minus key. This tells the calculator to subtract. Do this now. Now we're going to press the number 1 because this is telling the calculator that we're going to count back by ones. Do not press any other buttons, the clear key or anything, and now you're going to press the equals key to get our first number. Then we're going to press the equals key again to get our next number. Let's continue this as we count back by ones. Let's do one more problem. This problem we're going to start at the number 5. We're going to count up, so we'll be using the addition key, and we're going to count by 2s. Using our directions that we've learned today in class, the first step is to press the on or clear key to bring our display to 0. Step 2, press 5. That is our starting number. Step 3, press the plus key. This tells the calculator to add. So we're counting up. Step 4, press 2. This tells the calculator that we're counting by 2s. And then again, step 5, we start using the equals key without clearing in between to count up by 2s. Let's all do this now.